The second Lango Women's Cultural Conference 2025 attracted hundreds of women leaders from across the sub-region. Held under the theme, Empowering Lango Women for Socioeconomic Advancement Through Cultural Value Systems, the event served as a platform for launching the Agong Foundation. The foundation, spearheaded by the Lango Cultural Institution Queen, Agong Margret, seeks to unify and uplift women through training in cultural roles, socioeconomic empowerment, hygiene, parenting, and gender equality.
One around forming groups, ambapo kwa nini group demi yume tuponya njira wa charan yamme kwa tuponya njira wa tuponya njira wa chwe yikapu chwe yamo ike hagi yamo katino jokene tour bango ka jokene benefiting PDM ki grogi and jokene nyoda por bengio PDM ki grow kinabera mana mecha to lao dushu to mona dushu wo for me what a big coordination.
They were actually very grateful that okay, now we know our role, and there were other topics like health, how women should stay healthy and what have you. In fact, this conference has empowered them to know who they are and what they are supposed to do as far as culture is concerned.
Dr. Omona, who represented the Health and Gender Ministers, emphasized the critical role of culture and women in community development. He urged the Lango women to unite in the fight against poverty, citing it as a root cause for domestic violence.
As government, this coming financial year, we are putting in more effort to support families to create wealth. I've told them we're having NUSAF coming this next financial year for the entire northern Uganda, and we want to work with cultural institutions to help us mobilize the population for production. With the stability they have now, that they no longer have conflicts over cultural leadership, we can work together supporting programs of government in enhancing and supporting the mobilization for wealth creation.
He further called on cultural leaders to lead efforts in addressing the issue of street children, who are increasingly seen as a threat to urban safety.
We have also cautioned them to take good care of their children so that there's a good education in the community, there's good health, there's good discipline, and reduction in unnecessary consumption of drugs and alcohol, so they can focus on production.
The Agong Foundation, an initiative of Queen Margret Agong, is now the center of a movement to empower women through cultural identity and transformation efforts.